Welcome to the February 24th edition of Irvine Today. Here's what's happening this week in Irvine. Tuesday, the Orange County Great Park Board will meet at 1 p.m. and the City Council will meet at 4:30 in the Council Chambers at City Hall. At 3 p.m., a Grazing Goats educational and interactive experience will take place in the Irvine Civic Center Piazza. Then at 5 p.m., there will be a reception in the lobby, followed by the State of the City address delivered by Irvine Mayor Christina L. Shea, which will highlight accomplishments of the past year as well as look to what's ahead in 2020. Attend a free bike safety workshop from 6 to 8 Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday and receive a free set of bike lights. Residents over the age of 13 who know how to balance and pedal on a bike will benefit whether you're a new rider or just want a refresher course. No bicycle is necessary for this classroom presentation. Workshop locations are available on the city's website. Celebrated three-time Grammy Award-winning saxophonist and composer Tom Scott and the LA Express will bring their extraordinarily eclectic, cutting-edge performance to the Irvine Barclay Theater on Thursday evening. And our picks for weekend fun. At 10 a.m. on Friday, the 11th Annual Creative Edge Lecture will feature speaker Joy Harjo, who is appointed the 23rd Poet Laureate of the United States by the Librarian of Congress and is the first Native American to receive the honor. At 8 p.m. on Friday at the Barclay, residents can attend Chaplin's Smile, a musical tribute to Charlie Chaplin. Saturday morning at the Great Parks Farm and Food Lab, a free garden workshop, Edible Gardening 1 site selection, will be held for residents ages 12 and older. Saturday afternoon, join the Northwood High School's Origami Club, who will lead kids of all ages in making origami crafts at the Irvine Katie Wheeler Library. On Sunday evening, Cajun music lovers are in for a treat as Bolosé with Michael Doucet comes to the Irvine Barclay Theater. Lastly, film, television star, and comedian Steve Ranazzisis will be at the Irvine Improv for the entire weekend. I'm Dave Eyrig. Thanks for watching Irvine Today. Go to the City of Irvine's YouTube channel and subscribe to receive weekly episodes in your inbox.